friends, today's recipe bottle gourd curry. How to prepare? We can see here. Take a kadai, add 2 to 3 teaspoon oil, half teaspoon mustard. Oil should be hot. In that you can keep mustard. Then jeera half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, curry leaves. Then 3 to 4 chilies. Fry it well in oil only. Use 2 onions, finely chopped. Mix it well. This is a very healthy and easy recipe. You can see the bottle gourd. Bottle gourd, I have taken one medium size bottle gourd. I have removed the skin and cut it in small pieces. And now I am using this. So it will shrink when we fry it. So slowly the quantity will reduce because bottle gourd, it will all be watery. So add pinch of turmeric as per the taste, salt, and pinch of hing. All mix it well. So close the lid, allow it to cook 2 minutes. It should be mixed everything. So open the lid and check. You can see the quantity, it is reduced. Mix it well all. Now you can add the tomatoes, 2 tomatoes, finely or medium cut. So mix it well. Now you can close the lid. Again allow it to cook 1 to 2 minutes. So open the lid. Check how it is. This tomato should be softened. Now I'm preparing the masala for this. This is a groundnuts 3 teaspoon and dry coconut 1 teaspoon I have kept, and I have kept the grinded and I kept aside. I'm used 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and this is 4 teaspoon groundnut and coconut powder, whichever I have grinded. So mix it well now. Water you can add slowly later. First mix it with this and now you can add the water. You have to mix 1 minute, you have to leave, then you can add the water. The masala should be mixed properly. Now slowly how much you want you can add the water, because it won't get very thin watery. It won't be thin because we have kept groundnut and coconut masala, so it will come thick paste. So mix the water slowly. So how much you want you can mix it, don't keep more. As per your requirement you can adjust and use the water. So you can see here. Now allow it to cook 2 to 3 minutes. Bottle gourd don't cook more, 80% is enough. So you can mix it well. You can see the color, texture. This is almost done. We have to add coriander leaf finely chopped. Now our bottle gourd curry is ready. You can see the color, texture. It is looking very rich. Definitely try it, guys. If you like the recipe, please comment in the comment box. If you like my videos, hit the like button, share and subscribe. Now we are serving in the serving bowl. You can see this is a very tasty, healthy and easy recipe. You can eat with chapati or rice or pulka. You can see this color and texture. This is a very nice recipe. Definitely try it, guys, and comment me in the message box. Thanks for watching. Thanks.